Let's break down the collision avoidance menu in your Mercedes GLB so you know exactly how this safety system protects you on the road. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let me explain step by step how to get access to the avoidance collision menu. All you need to do right now is swipe a few times to the left until you see the last page of the following icons, and here you've got settings. The settings is with the car icon. In this example is of course GLB. Let's just tap it, and here you can use one of the following tabs, but let's choose the first one, which is assistance. Then choose the second one, which is collision avoidance, as you can see right here, and this is full menu with collision avoidance features. Let's start with ESP, so Electronic Stability Program. This is your traction control. It constantly monitors your grip and prevents the car from skidding or spinning out by applying brakes to your individual wheels if it senses you're losing control. So you can tap here ESP as well, and as you can see, you can disable this to disable the traction control and to use it on your own. But let me keep it enabled. Then you've got active brake assist. So if you accidentally drift out of your line without using your blinker, the system will vibrate the steering wheel or even apply the brakes on one side to pull you back into your line safely. As you can see, you can easily enable or disable this feature. Here we've got this icon and animation of this feature. As you can see, you can also use here settings to choose the level of brake application. It could be early, medium or late. Let me keep medium, and let's go to the next collision avoidance features. You've got here active line keeping assist. So if you accidentally drift out of your line without using your blinker, the system will vibrate the steering wheel or even apply the brakes on one side to pull you back into your line safely. Let's enable this feature by using the following switcher, and as you can see, this is like the animation with the green lines. You can also here tap settings to choose the medium of active line keeping assist intervention. You can also use advanced. You can read about the advanced feature here. So when advanced support is activated, course correcting steering interventions are made even for broken line markings. So you can enable also this one by using this switcher here. Alright, so let's go for the last one. So finally we've got blind spot assist. This monitors the areas you can't see. If a car is in your blind spot, a red triangle appears in your side mirror. If you try to change lines while someone is there, the car will give you the audible warning. So let's enable this feature by using this switcher. As you can see, you can also read the information about it here. So basically most of this should stay on for your safety, but you can always adjust the sensitivity in settings. So I will keep it in that way in my case, with enabling all of the features and with the medium level of the warning. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.